So Jiggy, where are we now?
We are at Immaculate Conception Church, and to visit this church you have to dress up in a proper way, otherwise you won't be allowed inside. But then this church, if you look, it has a very good view. If we come here, I guess one of the movie was shot here. I think for Ashiki.
Welcome guys on another video. So this particular church is called as the Lady Mary Church. This is located right at the center of Panji. And why this is famous? For two reasons. One is this is the oldest church which was built during the Portuguese times, and secondly it has the largest bell that you see on the top. This is the largest bell within the whole state, like of churches. That is the reason. And the style and everything is still unique. They have not redone it, nothing else. They're just maintaining it very nicely. And यहाँ पे रोज मास होता है, 4-5 लैंग्वेजेस में होता है, इंग्लिश, पोर्चुगीज, कोंकणी, हिंदी, मराठी, 5 लैंग्वेजेस में होता है यहाँ. So that's the reason. So why do you think Virgin Mother Mary? Why is she so praised, or why is she so revered in our culture? Do you have any idea? So a little bit of trivia. Trivia भी नहीं, it's our culture basically. So basically हम मानते हैं कि everyone is born of the original sin. So original sin is the first sin that humans committed during the time of Adam and Eve. So they ate from the forbidden tree, and hence that original sin has been passed down from generation to generation. So every other Catholic that you meet, he's born of the original sin. That is the fault of the forefathers. So Virgin Mother Mary was the first lady who was not born of the original sin. She was that's the belief that they give, and hence she was the very first person who, in our culture, she is considered as not having the original sin passed down to her, and hence the reason we praise her.
So in short, all of us are sinners. We like birds.
It's a very controversial.
We are carrying it.
Yes. So it's passed down from generation to generation because of the curse that God placed. That is the reason women carry the additional burden of physical pain. So that original sin is passed on that way. So काफी interesting topic, but I will not delve into it because it's quite controversial. Let's enjoy the view.
So what are we having?
We're having samosa, but this samosa is way different than Mumbai ka samosa. Like the masala is different, and we're having idli. The sambar tastes really nice over here in Goa, and we're having bun smash,
Which is about to come.
which is about to come.
So Billy, what is this?
So this is bun bhaji. So this is one side. I think this is Mangalorian style.
This is Mangalorian style. The Goan style is a bit different.
So it kinda looks like a puri. So Bangalore में buns and puri और
हाँ तो Mangalore का buns and puri is same, but Goa का buns, if you see, it is orange in color and it's round. And if you break it, अंदर से you will feel the texture of bread. इसमें वैसा नहीं.
So Jiggy, where are we now?
Fountain House. So it is actually a bridge of art. We are going there. So we are nearby.
So Peli ji, some facts about this place.
on the Mandovi River and mostly यहाँ पे बोलते हैं ना छोटे boats आते हैं for normal like what you call it backwater riding. So it happens on this lane and we specifically came for this bridge because of the bridge. Currently it's a jungle theme. Normally it keeps on changing basis the seasons, basis the year, what is happening. And yeah, so this they have made specifically for public seating. And luckily I find it quite clean. Weird, but it's quite clean as compared to any other spots in Goa.
Right opposite to the bridge where we saw the art, we are going to the other lane where you will see all the houses that are still maintained as per the Portuguese style, and they are very colorful. So we'll go in that lane.
So Jiggy, we are here for bird watching. How do you feel?
Very nice. This is like the best place. There are so many birds
And crocodiles.
and crocodiles, but we are not able to capture them in
Anyone? How do you feel?
Naturally, brilliant. I love this. This shooting.
This is your Dhanakola. Now the thing is that
There is
when we came in 2018, this was free of charge and there were no lightings or anything, but the view was very good and this whole patch, we could actually go to that whole patch. Now it is destroyed and then later on, I guess in 2020 or something, or 2019, this thing whole went into a renovation, so we were not able to visit this place. Now they have renovated this whole place and everything, and they are charging 50 rupees. So if you want to visit this place, then the entry fees for one person is 50 rupees, and that is for adults.
for children, it's 25.
For minors, it is 25.
For local residents, it's free. So it's a bit of a local history. So there was this lady called as Donna Paula. So she fell in love with a local fisherman, and they decided to get married. However, the father denied her the marriage because obviously, you know. So she decided to jump off the cliff from here, and rest is history. So this is also called as the Lovers Paradise, and there is a statue you can see right over there. Yeah. So it is to commemorate their memory, their love story. So basically, we are at a lovers' point as well, and you will see a lot of couples here. So if you see something graphical, please close your eyes.